The mighty B-1B, known as the Bone to the crews that fly it, is a multi-role bomber that is the backbone of America's long-range bomber force. The B-1 can rapidly deliver massive quantities of both precision and non-precision weapons against any adversary, anywhere in the world, at any time. Carrying the largest payload of both guided and unguided weapons in the Air Force inventory, the B-1 seamlessly integrates into any mixed force package through a combination of superior handling qualities and speed. Coupling this substantial payload with a high-resolution synthetic aperture radar, capable of tracking, targeting, and engaging moving vehicles, as well as self-targeting and terrain-following modes, the B-1B is a key element of any joint composite strike force. The Bone has proven itself in every combat operation since 1998. Starting with Operation Desert Fox, the combat debut of the B-1, and followed by Operation Allied Force, the B-1's role and importance in sustained combat operations has continued to grow. In Operation Allied Force, the B-1 flew less than 2% of the total sorties, but dropped more than 20% of the total weapons. During Operation Enduring Freedom, and using only 8 deployed airplanes, the B-1 flew 5% of the total sorties, but dropped 39% of the total weapons. This trend of massive, sustained aerial firepower continued with Operation Iraqi Freedom, when the B-1 flew 1% of the sorties, yet still dropped 35% of the weapons. As undoubtedly the world's most capable and lethal bomber, the B-1B already holds 43 world records for speed, range, and time to climb. To celebrate the 100th anniversary of powered flight and to further demonstrate the performance and combat capability of the B-1, 50 new world records were set during the 2003 Edwards Air Force Base Open House. In only 2 flights, crews from the B-1 test team at Edwards Air Force Base set 45 new world records and broke 5 existing world records. Flying in different weight classes each day, the B-1 set records for the 100-kilometer, 500-kilometer, and 1,000-kilometer closed-circuit courses at high subsonic speeds, and the 15 to 25-kilometer speed dash at speeds over Mach 1. Setting the records required the B-1 to carry a cargo of 84 non-precision 500-pound inert bombs, or over 55,000 pounds of weapons. To put an exclamation point on the record-setting flights, each day of the air show, the B-1 released its full combat load of weapons on a target in full view of show center, and flew a supersonic pass at over 30,000 feet. Now, sit back, relax, and ride along with the B-1 test team during their record-setting flights.